This is ULEFONE Armor 17 Pro, and in today's video I would like to show how you can clear app cache and app data on this phone. So the first order of business is to open the Settings app, then you gotta go for the Apps category. From here, all apps, then among the list of all installed apps that you have on your phone, open the app info page for the application that you would like to clear. So let's say I'll go with Opera. And then over here, tap at the storage and cache. And in order to remove all cached data, obviously go for the clear cache option. And in order to remove all app data that is stored, simply go for the manage space and choose the erase all data. Okay, so that will be it. Thanks for watching and bye bye.